Jollibee family. Palama po natin, BD!
Kulang sila.
Go ahead, sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Sheena.
Sina!
Hi everyone, I'm Mika.
Mika!
Hi guys, I'm Gwen. I'm Jollibee, it's Stacy. It's Joanna.
Wala si Aya.
I'm Chocolate. Super excited din si Ate Aya to be with you po, pero kailangan niya lang magpahinga ngayon po. Pero papasalubungan natin siya mamaya ng cheesy young burger.
Oh, definitely. But hey, BD is right here with us! Oh my gosh. Alam mo, may bago na naman tayong maaralin na sayaw, lalong-lalo na mga choreo. But I have to say, as a proud boy, I am so proud of you guys. Being part of the Jollibee family is a big thing. And now, grabe talaga yung tuwa sa aking puso. But it's really nice to see almost all the girls right here. But we're talking about the newest addition to the group and also the product that you endorse, not just reveal, na maging parte ng Jollibee family. And of course, to really push the cheesy young burger. Let's start with Clint. Okay. We're just fixing the technicals ng ating girls. But don't you worry. Ang daming mangyayari dito. We're gonna be having games. We're gonna be having prizes. And lots of surprises coming from our beautiful ladies. Okay. But while waiting for the audio to be checked, also gonna be asked for floor audio as well. Okay, maraming salamat. This happens a live show, but we're just so happy at dito ang ating mga biases, di ba? But talking about kanina Jollibee, di ba? I love that hashtag. Don't you love Jollibee? Let's make that an official hashtag today. Jollibee. I love it. Okay, is the technical okay? Technical okay? All good? Oh, again, ang dami mga blooms na nandito sa ating venue. It's so overwhelming, but going back to what I said, syempre, you guys are the new faces of Jollibee. Wow, talaga. Oh, and you are endorsing that product na naman.
Sir, hindi na nagpalit si Mika.
Cheesy yogurt. How do you feel na kayo
Ay,
ang bagong
ano pala
addition to the family sa
Stacy pala yun.
Jollibee?
Sobrang grateful po talaga kami nung nalaman po namin na kami po yung new faces po ng Jollibee. Sobrang grabe yung tili namin, sobrang kaya namin.
Ano yung tili?
No, hindi na, wala. Hindi siya na magsasama.
Well, I'm sure.
Sobrang saya po namin kasi normal na tao lang po kami dati nag-order po talaga kami ng Jollibee. So ngayon po, sobrang nakaka-proud po kasi si Jollibee po talaga parte na po ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya to be part po of this family na naghahatid ng saya sa lahat po. Sobrang ito po yung proud moment po talaga namin. Lalo pa at yung in-endorse po namin yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy yum.
Wow! Ganun po kita sa
Kuya
akin.
Robbie, grabe,
Yes.
dream come true po talaga po sa amin. Ito, Jollibee sa aming mini po kasi kahit saan sa rehearsals, training, pag nagugutom kami, guys, tara order tayo Jollibee, order tayo ng Chicken Joy, na kung ano man, Coke, Flow, lahat favorite po talaga na no joke, it's our favorite comfort food. Yes.
Actually, right before the program started, grabe yung ang daming super meals sa likod na naubos. That's how big of a fan Jollibee is. But I just want to say, kanina nakakatuwa na you guys are so humble, normal na tao. But to everyone here, especially to the Blooms, you are our heroes. Hindi lang kayo normal na tao. Thank you for all of the songs. Pero iba talaga yung sarap ng cheesy young burger. Ang daming I'm sure ang daming take note kapag nyo na cheesiest, beefiest young burger. Diba? Pero kamusta naman ang experience nyo? I wanna ask Gwen.
Sobrang saya po kasi sa bawat lasang-lasa mo yung cheesiness and beefiness ng double cheesy young burger.
Yeah.
Nakakagutom naman yan. Pero what if yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy young burger would be
Dodoblehin pa natin. Paano yung sinabi mo? Double? Double the
Double the fun, double the yum.
Okay. Paano ba natin gawin yun? Meron na ba nun?
Meron na ngayon! Kasi dahil ngayon, Jollibee is proud to introduce its newest variant, the Double Cheesy Yum Burger!
And I think we have it on the screen. It's right there. The double cheesy yum burger. Ayan, oh. Ayan, si Snap. Nag-model na si Snap.
Ay, kaya na naman kayo.
Ayan na naman. Oh! I think that
Hanggang dito.
to all of our friends, please take a photo. Use the hashtag Jollibeanie. Alright. Parang siguro sa ginagawa niyo. But I think Gwen has to say something.
Yes, perfect na perfect po yan talaga. Mas may enjoy natin yung double na yung cheesiest cheese tapos double pa yung beefiest patty. Di ba, Kuya Rose?
Sobrang sarap naman yan. Maloy!
Yes, ngayon pa lang, parang nalalasahan ko na mula sa soft buns hanggang sa nag-iisang Jollibee's special burger dressing na hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga yun. Tapos double pa yung cheesiest cheese slices with double beefiest patties. Grabe. I love it. Meron pa tayo, parang nagugutom ulit ako.
Nagugutom ka na ulit?
Kain mo lang. Kasi tignan nyo naman, tignan nyo yung look at that double cheesy goodness. O, di ba? Yung cheese na wala. O, siya na yan.
Ito mo na yung BTS
The BTS,
natin.
BTS, the
BTS
BTS.
patty.
Sino ba dito ang bibili after ng event na to?
Ken.
Ang daming losing ko na siguradong dediration kay si Jollibee.
Seryoso po, kasi if kami, ilang beses na kami namatikim nito, ng mga shoots kasi namin, kahit ilang takes pa kami, nauubos po talaga. Lulunok po talaga namin. Lulunok po talaga. Lulunok talaga. Sa Joanna, dami nauubos.
Oo, teka lang. Si Joanna na marami na ubos. Grabe naman. Di ka-
Sayang kasi tingin pa lang sa double cheesy yung burger, alam mo na agad na umapaw ang cheesiest and beefiest flavor.
I mean, look at that. Diba? Grabe
Yan,
ka na.
yan.
Parang alam mo na masarap eh.
Tingin lang, bawal ba yung tagat? Kasi natatakam na ako.
Natatakap ka.
Patingin ang tatak. Paano yung tatak? Nakainin ko yan.
Gusto naman makita yung takap ni Gwen. In 3, 2, 1. Panalo. Say less, Gwen. Kasi, oh shucks, yun yung nararamdaman natin eh. Oh shucks, meron bang ganun ngayon? Very generous si Jollibee kasi they have prepared the new double cheesy yum burger for everyone to enjoy. Labas ang burger! The double cheesy yum burger. Thank you so much.
Pasta burger. Pag ilan na po namin ang time? Pasta burger. Yes, pero syempre guys, hindi lang para sa amin ito dahil di naman pwedeng kami lang ang nag-enjoy ng cheesy yum burger. Kaya naman, ayan na guys, distribute na. Please enjoy our newest double cheesy yum burger from Jollibee! Yeah! Eat well guys, eat well!
The new double cheesy will be available in all Jollibee stores nationwide starting tomorrow. At best thing is, kayo ang unang makakatikim nito dito mismo sa ating event. Good job! Now everyone is having a bite of the newest cheesy yum burger.
It's in the shade of brown.
Diretso talaga, no? Okay. Let me open my burger right now and eat with the girls. In 3, 2, 1. Can we have a photo? Take another bite. In 3,
Okay,
2,
3, 2,
1, go!